Hello everybody, Steve here, and today I have this beautiful Silverline Four Lever Padlock that it says on the front. It does say Silverline right here on the dust cover, and over here it says 4 brass levers, and on this side it says forged steel shackle, so nothing else written on there. This is a beautiful padlock that I really enjoy. And as far as size goes, this is about 2 1/8 or 53 millimeters wide, and that's about what, 3 1/4 or 83 millimeters long. And then as far as the thickness goes, it's not really that thick, only about a 1/2 inch thick, or that's 17 millimeters, so it's not that bad. Anyway, so it's the same size as a Squire 440. So this is actually the first lever padlock that I picked without a clear cover on it. Up until this time, I had some practice lever locks that I had that had clear covers on it so I could see what I was doing, and this is the first one that I picked that did not have that clear cover, and it's never been taken apart. But anyway, so we'll get this picked today, and I'll just use one of these homemade tension wrenches that are made with the cut down key. This is actually one of those skeleton keys that are just cut down. So we'll get that in there to tension it, and the wire, just kind of standard wire with a thumb turn type of thing on there to make it a little easier. We'll put that on there and try to make sure I got a good shot. Kind of, sometimes it just seems like this way, holding it this way seems like it works a little bit better. So hopefully you guys can see it okay. Just start at the back, find the first lever, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm just kind of nudging them up, applying a little bit of tension. Kind of finding each lever and nudging each one of them up a little bit at a time. Oh, something's in my throat today. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long to do this. It usually doesn't. Lighten up on the tension. I'm starting to tension it too hard. Okay. Keep on working on it until you get it open, right? Sometimes it's just a matter of finding a good position to hold it in. Feels like it's almost there. Some little nudge somewhere. There it is. Finally. I mean, sometimes that's the way it goes. Sometimes it doesn't take too long to get it open, and sometimes it just wants to be a little stubborn. But that's okay. We still got it open in the end. Anyway, so there we go. And it is open. And I don't think I showed. The key does work, so right now it's locked, open, locked. So it works very well. Very nice little padlock, and I love it. And anyway, so there we have it for today. The nice little 4-lever Silverline padlock picked open with just a homemade tension wrench and a pick wire. That's all it took. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, everybody. Make sure that you're subscribed, you leave a like, and leave comments down below. And thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day.